Welcome civil engineers, learn faster with civil engineering tips. Today we are going to learn about this block command, attribute command, properties, group and utilities. So uh, the shortcut key for block is B, block, okay? Or you can simply click here, create block, okay? And here you can see block editor, edit block, okay? Now I will draw rectangle, okay, rectangle. Now inside this rectangle I will draw triangle using lines, okay, and I will draw polygon using polygon command or scratch. Yeah. Now I want to make this as a block. Please select it, B block, you can see spacebar, type shapes, okay, name shapes, okay. Here you can see this all objects becomes block. So to edit this block you can double click on it, or you can simply here click the icon block editor, okay. I will double click it here, and here you can see shapes which we just make. Double click on it and you can move it here, move outside here, and here you can see the various options, edit options, okay. Now you can save here, or if you forget to save and close editor, then you can see save the changes or discard. Now save the changes, these changes, okay. Now I simply draw these objects to learn easily. Yeah. You can use these block options while making title box, okay. And now going to attribute. Mostly attribute is used in making the title box, okay. Rectangle, and here we typed here text, okay, text title, okay. This one I will increase its height, its height as 6 inches, okay, we will work in 6 inches. I will decrease this rectangle, okay, delete it here. Title, and then I will repeat. Now drawn by, checked by, and you did as well. So you can make it as a block and edit as well, but once you learn about attribute, you can make the use of that attribute function command as well. So ATT for attribute, you can choose it here, attribute, and here tag means, yeah, this one, okay. We'll write this title drawn by, checked by in prompt, and tag means we can change here, okay. I will simply type T, and here in prompt I will write title, okay, and click it here again, copying it, okay, double click on it, and you can change your prompt as drawn by, okay, okay, and here checked by as yes, ck date by, okay, and for date, enter, and for date we can again use attribute function tag as d, and write here full date, and here you can choose this one is the best function here for date. You can choose date here and the various dates. Okay, have this one. Okay, okay, keep it here. Okay, now these texts are the attributes and these are the only text. Now select this object, okay, like B and then space. Okay, you can make it, I'll write it as title TB. Okay, title box TB. Okay, you can give it any name. Now creating block, you can see here date, check by, run by, and title. Okay, here you can change date as well, checked by structural engineer, run by civil engineer, title as architectural drawing. Okay, click OK. Here you can see. Okay, now to edit block, double click on it, or you can simply go here, double click on it. So this one is attribute text. Okay, you cannot change it here. Select block, this select, enter. Okay, you can change here from, you can change this from here as well. I will write here drawn by civil engineer. I'll change it to ARCHITECT architect. Apply. Okay, you can see here architect. Okay, and then go to block editor, double on it. Simply this is attribute. Okay, you have to make the use of this block and the attribute command. Okay, now rather than using block, you can also use group command, selecting this, then group, select group here, group, it will make group of this various rectangle. Okay, and then the shortcut key for group is G. You can go to group, and to ungroup it you can simply UN. Okay, here ungroup, select group, type UN, and ungroup here. Okay, this is it. And the other one is matching properties. Okay, I will change this to the here I have made various properties. We will learn about this layer in the future. Select rectangle. Okay, this one is now select properties, match properties, and then select here, look here, select source object, selecting this as the source object. After selecting that, you can see here select destination object, selecting destination object. This is how we can match these properties. And or to use to see the properties of the line, you can select it, right click, and go to properties. Okay, you can see here, or you can customize here, these properties here, tools, and here palettes, and here off, here the properties tab gone. So again go into palette and you this tab on, or you can, okay, select this line, you move your mouse cursor to the properties, and you can see here the layer 0, line type, and line weight. We'll learn about this in layer command. Okay, the most valuable or important thing here is utilities. You can see here calculator icons, you can change measurement. Okay, clipboard base, and if your any command is active, they can, you can simply here select more, that command will deactivate. And here this, look here, calculator, simply type calc, and here you can see calculator, and you can change here the unit conversion as well. You can do the calculation as well. So the most important thing is here this unit conversion. Okay, unit conversion, you can change here, you can change the area, length, volume as well. And here I will default convert from meters, convert to centimeters, and value converts to, okay, I will keep it here 1, enter. Here you can see converted value. Close. Okay, you guys can make the use of block, group, attribute, properties, and calculators. Like, share, and subscribe to civil engineering tips for learning faster. Peace out.